In this video, I'm going to be talking about tariffs. Tariffs are quite important in the Solax app. For example, all the energy savings and earnings on the home page and how they're calculated are all based on the tariff that you have set up. I've seen lots of instances of the tariff data not being correct, and therefore all the savings and earnings are not correct. More importantly, in the intelligence section now, we have automations, and automations can charge batteries or discharge batteries or export solar depending on when your tariff rate is higher or lower. And if the tariff isn't correct, the automations won't be able to act in your best interests or work correctly. So we're going to go through the tariff setup. I'm going to use Octopus Energy as an example because it's a popular tariff in the UK, but you can use any tariff or set them manually if you want to. Firstly, we're going to look at various different ways of getting to the tariff configuration screen. If you start from your Solax app home screen and scroll down to the energy value tile, firstly, if you have already set up your tariffs, then the screen will look more like this. And if you click on the earnings tile, it will take you through to earnings. And this is the earnings main screen where you can interrogate day, month, and yearly earnings. Different topic. But the little icon in the top right-hand corner is the tariff setup icon. So this takes you to the tariff today page. So that's the first way of accessing the page that we're looking for. The second way is by clicking on the heading of price trend. If you click anywhere on the graph, it accesses the graph. But if you click on the price trend heading, it takes you straight to the tariff today screen. And another option is by going to Me and Plant, and your plant will be listed here, and you can click on the plant, and then the three dot menu in the top right corner, there's the tariff option, and that will also take you to the tariff today screen. So a couple of options there. If you haven't already set up your tariffs, then the home screen changes. The price trend graph will not be complete and it will have setup tariff written on it. You'll see that in the example that I'm going to use to set up the tariffs from scratch. And if you click anywhere on the earnings today tile, that will also take you to the tariff today screen. So it's a little bit confusing, but there are a couple of options there depending on whether you have already set up tariffs but you want to change them, or you haven't yet set up tariffs and you want to do them from scratch.